biology.
Okay.
So let's go.
Plastic bag. Always.
Okay, Paragonimus westermani, it is found in the United States. It's something that is unlike the other ones that are not found in the United States. Westermani, Paragonimus westermani is found in the United States, and the common name for it is long fluke. They call it long. It is in the lung. And what else do we have here? Crab is the intermediate host. When we eat crab in the United States, and then raw, of course, or sometimes we steam it quickly and then we eat it, it will not kill the cercaria in the meat. Okay? So what will happen when people eat the crab meat that has the long fluke? The adult parasites will mature in the lungs. Okay? Then they copulate. Right? Now you have a parasite that is in the lung. How you are going to get rid of the egg? Other parasites we studied so far, all of the other parasites we studied so far, either urine, feces, or mosquito, right? They have a method of transmission. These guys are in the lung now. They adapted over a period of time in evolution, and they go to the lung. Okay? So what would happen when a person has Paragonimus westermani? They cough up the eggs. The eggs now comes, they call it sputum. So two ways. The two ways from here on. One, the sputum is out into the body of water, which there is crab. Or we swallow. We are civilized people. We say, right? Now from respiratory system, the eggs went to what system? Digestive system. From respiratory system, the egg went to digestive system. Digestive system will not kill it, get out in the feces, and then the person goes and poop, I guess, in the body of water. Rarely happen in the United States, but if you're out in the jungle or river or something, you poop in the water, and then of course the crab is there, somebody else comes eat the crab, and the life cycle keeps going. So this is two routes, unlike the other ones. Again, in the lab we do not have any specimen from it, any slides, anything from Paragonimus westermani. Here, in other countries, here these kids, these people, again, look, it's on the stream. This is a stream in the background. They are finding crab and they are killing the crab. Maybe before they cook it, right in the field, right there. They eat some of those crabs or crayfish, what have you, and their life cycle. And of course, if they have to poop, where they're going to poop? Right here, in that somewhere behind the rock, close to the water. I hope I'm making sense. So that's how the life cycle goes on in other countries. But westermani is found, P. westermani is found in the United States and other countries as well. When I say United States, it doesn't mean only in the United States. No, it's found in other countries as well. Paragonimus westermani. And here are the kids, of course. They can become infected with early on. They're playing around right here by the body of water. They're finding crayfish and other crabs, and of course they're eating them without cooking it. And then of course if they have to defecate, right there, they go and defecate. Okay, subclass Monogenea, all parasitic on gills of fishes. We humans do not get them. They're ectoparasite. Last time I talked about this. Ectoparasites cause infestation, and endoparasites cause infection. So these guys cause infestation in fishes. When I say fishes, that is the correct terminology. Some of you say, no, fishes is incorrect. No, when I say fishes, I'm talking about different species of fish. So that is correct. Different species of fish. You can say fishes, or you can say fish. Either one. Both of them is correct. But anyhow, all parasitic of external surface of fish, and ectoparasitism causes infestation, direct life cycle. They do not have intermediate host. They have just one host. From fish, they release, when they attach to the gills of fish, then they release eggs. the eggs become larva stage, the larva swim and find another fish to become adult. Egg, single larva, oncomericidium, they call it onco, the larva stage is called oncomericidium. Oncomericidium attaches to the gills of fish until it becomes adult, and adult release the egg, and of course adults sometimes detach and die, or they die on the gills of the fish. Of course it's not healthy for fish. If you have a fish pond, they can be infested. Remember, if you have a fish pond, it can be infested with these organisms. I gave you one species. A pistolaptor is a structure. It has hooks. It's like a vacuum. It can attach to gills of fish. The structure that they attach to gills of fish is called a pistolaptor. Gyrodactylus sereniformis is the name of the organism. One organism I gave you, so you have one example of that organism. It's a Monogenea, subclass Monogenea. It means mono, it means one. They only have one host, fish. Cestoda, let's leave that for Thursday, Tuesday, whatever day next we're gonna. Okay, so let's leave it on Tuesday. On Tuesday.